Welcome to YAHs Kitchen. We know who the king of the kitchen is, Yashua. I'm your chef, Chef Tony, and your server today. Remember, man should not live off bread alone, but every word from Yahweh's mouth. Alright, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're going to be making pie crust. Now you know you can make all types of stuff with the pie crust. Pie, sweet potato pie, pot pies, chicken pot pie, quiche, all types of stuff you can make with pie. This is going to be a quick one. We're going to start off with what we need. Of course, we need a Pyrex or a pie pan, whichever one you prefer. We need flour, the olive oil, we need a little bit of butter, measuring cup, spoon, and a cutting board. We'll get started on my personal measurements that I like to do my pie crust. First of all, I like about a cup of flour, then a half a cup of water, that much olive oil, probably a teaspoon, same thing with the vinegar. Now the butter, I like about 2 scoops of butter. That's about 1 scoop. And that's it for your ingredients. We're gonna mix it for about, I wanna say probably 3 to 5 minutes. Do is take it out of the bowl. When you do it a couple times, you should feel how you want it, how you want your pie crust to feel. Flatten it out like this, best as you can. Roller is a lot easier. We let it sit for about 5-10 minutes and let it dry out a little bit. And then we take it and we'll put it in our pan.